Hey, welcome back, E-Man Deluxe. This is going to be part 2 of the sunroof rebuild. I'd like to say things went very smooth, and I'm hoping that this video helps you with your sunroof rebuild. You know, if you have old cables that are worn out, you need new seals, you're putting together your new car, this will help you out. One thing I would definitely say, if you're putting a freshly painted car back together, God bless you. It's going to be a little tedious, but take your time, do it nice, do it the first time. Welcome back to the Outdoor Garage. So, taking a little family vacation, and wouldn't you know, the Outdoor Garage is no joke. Come back from vacation, we have a visitor just inside the windshield. See it there? Let's go see. Right in plain view. That's gonna have to be evicted. Goodbye. We are going to go ahead and put this sunroof back together. It's been taken apart for a while, and here we go. So I marked this one as the driver's side. This moves freely, so we're gonna just clean that up. And this side, I gotta get this out of here. This one's free. Let's get that out of there. That's part of it. You gotta get that out of there. Yeah, I just got a little piece left in here. Is you got this like the spring material, and then at the end of it there's like a little nipple that's stuck in here. A little something like this. A little tappy tap. That's it. Alright, so now we'll clean these up. Sorry for my absence on YouTube. I just got wrapped up in a lot of things. I bought a truck, and the truck needed work before we went on a family vacation, which included rust removal, patchwork, and then mounting a rear seat so my kids can sit in the back seat. So that is my explanation, and I will try to keep things a-rolling for you. I'm just cleaning up these tracks. I just took some WD-40. I'm just playing around here. Just shoot it in the track. I got an old little piece of Brillo here. Whatever works, right? Just kind of scrubbing that crap out of there. Try to get this thing closer so you can see. Try and hold it steady. It's not a shaky cam, it's a shaky hands. Alright. Actually a lot of overspray in these things. So, I'm going to keep going with this and clean these all up. Alright, next step. We're going to take these tracks and we're going to clean them up on my wheel of love. You guys have seen my wheel of love before. If you haven't, here it is. foot of that. Just gonna take this, got a little corrosion on here and mixing with a little bit of overspray. I'm just gonna clean it up so that we got nice easy glide there. We'll be back out to the car in a minute. Alright, before we go ahead and put these tracks back in, I just want to get these this headliner glued back into place as best as I can. Got this headliner glue. Something like that. And I'll tape that down, let that dry, and I'll keep moving on, alright? Alright, so these are all cleaned up, and I got my lithium grease here. I'm just going to go ahead and pack this channel with a little bit of grease. See what I'm doing? Going down this inner channel here, trying to get it down. Okay, I'm taking a quick look at this sunroof panel, and this is the old original seal here. See if I can zoom in. If this is showing up, but you know, obviously there's nothing left of it, but there's really no, it's not really spelling out how the new one is going to lay on here. So I'm going to clean this up and get rid of it, and see if I can find some information on how this seal is going to lay on here. This is from Wolfsburg West, and it's got kind of a weird profile. I'm not really sure how it's going to fit in there, so I'm going to look into it a little further. Okay, so after scraping the old gasket away, I discovered this nice little notch right in here. And right in the gasket itself is this perfect notch that fits right in there, wraps around. So that's how it goes. Alright, let's go. Hyperspeed now. Put it back together. Alright, all the covers are on. Let's see how it operates. This sunroof, I may have mentioned it in the first part of this video, but this is the plastic style. It doesn't have the metal J-tubes. Don't know specifics about when they used it or what, but everything was still in great condition. The plastics must be, you know, that's probably back when plastics were made very well and they're made to last. So I had to spend a lot of time cleaning all these up, and they're in wonderful condition. Why purchase new ones? So let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's all the way open here. And then we're going back the other way. I'm liking it. You just have to make sure. Oh, it operates so nice. Everything's got to be nice and clean. Really clean. Grease the heck out of it. Why not? You want it to last another 50 years. Alright, I'm going to keep messing with this. Get it just right. Alright, so we're back right. We're in the closed position. And you want to measure from the center of this screw, the rear screw, and make a mark at 2 inches. And that will be the face of the new, whatever you call it. Your cable guide. Right? Okay? So I made a mark 2 inches. I pulled the cable off of the little cog wheel here. I'm just going to pull it back. You look down the line, it's nice and straight. I'm going to go with that. I'm going to put it back together. Alright, so it's a couple days later, and I just want to pick up where I left off. The gap is even all the way around. Okay, but right now, as you can see, it's got to pop up just a little bit more. And I made a couple marks. I made a mark at the edge here where this ends on that track, and then one basically that's the position I want it to be in when it's fully closed. So it's just a little bit of an adjustment. So I'm going to take this back apart. And adjust the cables and see if it clears it up. I gotta clear this lens up. It's humid today. Okay, with enough fussing with where the sunroof ended up, I'm moving on. I've moved it many times, and it seems to be fine. I just get picky at times. So I'm moving on, and I'm doing the seals. This is the sunroof seal that you'll get with your kit. This one's for the rear of the sunroof, and I have the other end out there getting ready to glue, so I'll bring it back in a minute. Okay, so this is the front seal. It takes care of the 3 sides, and then you just got to center this in a position. This side's done already. You have to trim it. But I just want to show this. I just dabbed a little glue on the edge of the 2 so that when you tuck it in, those 2 will hopefully join up. It's pretty close. So yeah, that's good. Alright, we're moving on. Alright, And this seal is glued on too. I don't know if I showed that. Okay, let's put it in.
I don't think you're going to do this in about an hour. It definitely takes some time.
Alright, so one more topic. Got towards the end, I was pretty happy with it, but it was like binding up on something. Or not binding up, but just, it was like metal on metal sound. And basically it was just right here. There's these little tabs that make the roof pop up. Go like this. And I just put a nice dab of grease on both sides and it went away. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. Gotta make it quick. Got a thunderstorm coming. Right about there. Hear that? I just need a little grease. It's fine. And with that, another project done. Sunroof all sealed up. Alright, before I put this in, just thought I'd show this. A little worn away on this side, but I cleaned this up real good, bleach, soap water, and stuffed some glue in there. Headliner glue, and just went around everywhere where it was peeling up. Everything was peeling up. This was peeling up, and whole surface. So it's safe, ready to go back in. All right, with that, let's take a look. I was able to save. I had a little tear in this corner, but I just put a little glue in that. Original headliner. Needs a little fixing down there. That's next, and then carpet. Done. All right, well with that, this project's done. Crossed off the list. And moving on to other things. All right, that's your sunroof. All right, we're on a little journey today. We're heading to Air-Cooled at the Orchard. It's about a half-hour drive north, and this is Misty's first, I don't know, long haul on the highway. So just steering straight, feels great in the front end. A little sluggish on the hills, but we're making our way. Nice little runner.
Parking the grass over here.
Yeah, you pull right in.
You gotta go through the pit. Yeah. All right.
This one's hamster powered. This one's definitely got my People's Choice vote. 64 sunroof. Just like Misty, all original. I almost wish I saved my carpet now. You guys, just a quick ending. We had an awesome day. Air cooled at the orchard.